surfer. Today's gonna be a guide on how to use this GoPro clamp. That's it, that's how you use it. There's no other surface that thing fits on. This is the end of this guide. Now for the vlog. What's up guys, it's another beautiful day here in Cape Town, South Africa. We made a last minute decision to go climb Table Mountain right now. I went surfing this morning and I was planning on doing a surf video today, but the surf wasn't really that good. Stormy and just hard to surf. It was just hard to catch waves, so we decided after our surf we're gonna go climb Table Mountain, we're gonna go hike up, then we're gonna get some snacks. See, I just bought some snacks from the store. We're gonna eat those snacks. It's gonna be awesome. There goes a sight from my soul. Okay, so I found Kevin. What's up, Kevin? Hey. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by. I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. Okay, so we chose this spot because over here you got the city, Signal Hill, Lions Head, Camps Bay, the 12 Apostles. How rad is that, man? There goes a Okay, so quick explanation how I shot that. I got my phone over here, getting that shot. GoPro's clamped to a rock this side, getting that shot. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Point and shoot over here. Now there goes a sight from my soul. Oh, and this camera. I can't show you the shot. I'm using it to record this. Those people down there, people have already seen the sunset. We're only seeing it now. I just made this video to show you don't always need to go to Lions Head to get an awesome sunset. You've got Table Mountain as well. Anyway, hit that like button if you like this video, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. So then I guess I'll see you next week. I think it's all angels just walk by.